the buyer finalizes the purchase of the new fully built vehicle. Dealer generates the invoice which has the chassis number and engine number auto-populated from dealer's DMS, details of which had been uploaded by OEMs. Dealer logs into the system using his user ID and typing the verification code. An OTP is generated and sent to dealer's handphone number registered with the department. Once the OTP is fed into the system, vehicle registration page opens up. Dealer selects the RTO under which the vehicle has to be registered. Then details of the vehicle, that is, the chassis and engine number, have to be entered. Next, the customer's Aadhaar details are verified by the feeding customer Aadhaar number. OTP is generated and sent to the customer's hand phone linked with Aadhaar number. The OTP detail is fed into eVahan and customer details are auto-populated into the system. To complete this process, dealer feeds in customer hand phone number and eVahan generated OTP sent to the customer's hand phone. Once this OTP is fed into the system, vehicle application number is generated. Where the address of the customer is different from as mentioned on the Aadhaar card, the customer will have to submit other documents as address proof like passport, electricity bill or voter ID, etc. And in such cases, after the documents are uploaded by the dealer, file is sent to RTO for verification, post which the dealer pays the fee. Within 7 days, vehicle tax has to be paid compulsorily. Failure will result in penalty. Then, under Vehicle Details page, Tax Mode Details, that is, Life Tax for individual customer, has to be selected. Post this, Vehicle Hypothecation or Insurance page opens and all the requisite details are uploaded on the eVahan and verification is done at the dealer end. Vehicle registration series number along with application number is displayed. Post verification by the dealer, system generated number option is clicked upon. In case customer wants a special number, customer has to pay an additional amount, rates of which vary from state to state. Customer also has the option to directly book the special or VIP number online. These documents are stamped and uploaded on the system, which includes address proof, dealer invoice, disclaimer issued by the Transport Department, Forms 20, 21, 22, Insurance Certificate, Manufacturing Invoice, Customer PAN Details and Form 34. Dealer makes tax payment and vehicle number is auto-generated. The dealer then prints the RC on the card provided by the Transport Department. The cost of the RC is inbuilt in the vehicle registration fee.